Hi everybody and welcome back. So today's video is about how I edit my Instagram photos only using one single app called Lightroom. Now I am going to be honest, I did not make any of these presets that I am about to show you. I bought them from a blogger on Instagram. Her username is at Emily Rose Hannon. Her presets are so pretty. I think I have literally all of them. But I just wanted to quickly say that in case if anyone thought that I made them, because simply did not make them. I wish, but I did not. Alright, so anywho, let's just jump right in. I'm going to launch Lightroom. And I'm going to show on a few different photos how I like edit them and stuff like that. But first I'm gonna go in here and just delete those because I don't edit those. I'm not gonna edit those. Alright, so let's see. What should we start with first? Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably, you know what, we're gonna redo this one. Okay, so we're just gonna reset. Alright, so I'm gonna go down here to presets. And right now I'm currently using her winter presets. And let's just go down through and see what they all look like. Alright, so since we went down through all of them, I'm going to pick which one I like most. And I think I'm going to go with 13 because it looks dark and moody. So we're just going to go ahead and hit that check mark. Now, I do not adjust my photos or anything to like the lighting and stuff. I don't touch any of that because I think they're good. And sometimes I will like click the optics button and change that. I will look for grain and take that off. This one doesn't have it, so I don't have to do that because I don't like grain on my photos. I do not. I just ugh. Anywho, moving on, and now I would save it. Alright, so we are gonna do the duckies. Yeah, we'll pick a different one for the ducks. Okay, reset it. And again, we're just going down through to see which one we like most. I know a lot of these ones like look the same, but they're not. It will literally look so different on each photo. But I am just obsessed with these. I normally use different ones every time I upload a photo to Instagram. I can't talk today. I apologize. I do not use the same preset over and over. I will literally just use a different one that looks good with my photos. So we're just choosing which one we like most, going down through all of them. Okay, let's see. Let's see, 15, maybe? Yeah, I like 15 better on this one, so check mark it. And then of course I would go up there to the save button and literally save it to my camera roll. Alright, so another one we are going to try is, we're going to try this one. Alright, so again, presets. This one was not edited, so this one is like the perfect one. Alright, going down through just to see which one looks better. Okay, so honestly, I think I like 10 better. It doesn't completely wash out my face. It makes my eyes look a little bit brighter. Going to check mark it. And of course, do the optics. Check for grain, which I don't think, nope, don't have it. Okay, so this one is good. Before, after. So then I'm going to actually save this to my camera roll because this one I can literally upload. Alright, so now I'm going to do one more, and let's do a mirror photo. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's do this one. Again, this one was not edited at all, so we are starting with a blank canvas, basically. All right, let's pick. Alright, so honestly, I think I like 18 better with this one. Like I said, these will literally depend on the lighting, and obviously this day it was very cloudy. I don't really like to mess with any of these because it makes it look, different and weird, and sometimes because of the way these presets were actually made, so I don't touch anything. There is the before and there is the after. Let's just edit this one. This is the last one, I promise. Okay. Okay, anywho, again, no presets already on this one, so we're just gonna jump in and we are going to see which one we like the most. I just want to show what these presets look like on a variety of photos, because I said, again, like these presets will vary on different kinds of photos. And the only thing that I use to take my pictures is with my iPhone. I don't have any other camera. But now, if you have like a fancier, super high definition camera, then obviously these presets will probably look a lot better. Alright, honestly, I think I like it right here on the 20, so we're going to check mark it, and then I would save it. And that is it, I believe, for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I will also leave the link to the presets down below and Emily's Instagram handle so you guys can follow her and check out her page, because I'm pretty sure she uses her winter presets as well. So that is it for now. I am going to stop talking and I will see you guys next time. Bye.